Welcome to Busan Station, South Korea's busiest and most dynamic railway hub, connecting travelers from all over the country. Here, your unforgettable journey truly begins. Step inside through the grand main entrance and immerse yourself in a world of modern transit convenience and vibrant local culture. Stay updated with real-time train schedules displayed on digital departure boards. So you never miss your train. Finding your way is simple. Clear, multilingual signs guide you to trains, bus stops, shops, and all essential services throughout the station. And when it comes to moving around, swift escalators and elevators provide effortless access across multiple floors, making every transfer smooth and comfortable. Looking for something unique? Discover an array of vending machines offering fun souvenirs and gifts, perfect for quick keepsakes or travel essentials. Travel light by storing your luggage securely in coin lockers, starting at just $1.40 for 24 hours, giving you freedom to explore without hassle. Whether you're catching a high-speed KTX train or local routes, the station's smart layout ensures easy navigation to your platform with clear announcements every step of the way. Additional digital screens help you track departures and arrivals conveniently throughout your visit. Need tickets? Book your train journey quickly and safely online at Rail Ninja, your trusted travel companion. Refresh yourself anytime with spotless restrooms available on every floor, designed to meet the needs of all travelers. Indulge your appetite with a variety of Korean and international cuisines at cozy station cafes and restaurants, a perfect way to recharge before your next leg. For personalized assistance or travel advice, visit the Traveler's Help Desk, staffed by friendly experts ready to guide you. When you're set to go, hop aboard the sleek KTX or ITX high-speed trains and embark on your next adventure, whether it's Seoul, Daegu, or beyond. Once you exit the station, Busan's vibrant coastal culture and stunning scenery await your discovery. Just minutes away, the Busan Modern and Contemporary History Museum invites you to explore Korea's rich heritage and vibrant art scene, all within a beautifully preserved former bank building. Continue your journey along the historic 40-step street in Yongdu, a symbolic site reflecting Busan's resilience and cultural legacy since the Korean War era. In spring, the city transforms into a sea of color with breathtaking sakura blossoms painting the parks in soft pink hues, a seasonal spectacle you'll never forget. For even more vibrant scenery, Gamcheon Culture Village awaits, often called the Santorini of Busan, with its terraced houses, colorful murals, and stunning sea views, a true photographer's paradise. Next, indulge in a shopping spree at Lotte Mall, Busan's premier destination for luxury brands, global labels, and trendy local designers. As night falls, immerse yourself in the neon glow of Seomyeon district, where bars, clubs, and street performances bring the city alive with energy. For a peaceful escape, take a leisurely walk along Songdo Beach, Korea's first public beach, and enjoy the refreshing sea breeze, or experience the thrill of the skywalk suspended above the water. No visit is complete without a stop at Jagalchi Market, Korea's largest seafood market, where the day's freshest catches become unforgettable local delicacies. The flavors continue at BIFF Square, buzzing with authentic street food, lively festivals, and a touch of film history. For sweeping views, ascend Busan Tower in Yongdusan Park and take in panoramic vistas of the city skyline, harbor, and lush gardens, a perfect spot to unwind. Finally, art enthusiasts can uncover the Vault Art Museum, a hidden gem inside old bank vaults near Busan Station, where contemporary creativity meets historic charm. Thank you for exploring Busan with us. Plan your next journey easily by booking your train tickets at Rail Ninja, your trusted gateway to new journeys.